The 59th edition of France's largest agriculture exposition was held in Paris from 25th day of February till 5th day of March 2023. Thousands of farmers, agricultural sector organizations and companies participated in this fair, which was visited by millions of citizens along with their children. President Emmanuel Macron, who visited the agriculture exposition, took to the Twitter to thank the farmers and artisans at the Expo and invited everyone to go and meet them. In order to probe the prospects of the participation of Pakistan in the 60th edition, the Ambassador of Pakistan, His Excellency Asim Iftikhar Ahmed, visited Agriculture Exposition. Ambassador Asim Iftikhar met livestock farmers and representatives of companies related to processing of meat, dairy and cheese. He discussed cooperation in various sectors with the members of the organizations and government representatives dealing in horticulture, agriculture, aquaculture and fisheries.